10 frequently asked questions about Cytoburn. Below are 10 frequently asked questions about Cytoburn to help you decide whether you should buy Cytoburn or not. 1. Is Cytoburn right for me? If you're overweight or obese and have tried every fad diet and exercise hasn't worked for you, then it 100% is right for you. Cytoburn has changed the lives of 117,000 men and women ranging from 30 to 80 and has been designed to melt fat rapidly in all cases. Just remember, if at any time you aren't happy, they have an ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee. That's how confident I am with Cytoburn's results. 2. How does Cytoburn work? Cytoburn is the only product in the world to be clinically proven to cause dormant cytokines to become active fat-burning cytokines. Dormant cytokines cause massive weight gain and make it nearly impossible to get rid of stored fat by increasing your active cytokines. You're increasing fat burning by 600% to 900% more than it is right now. 3. What's inside Cytoburn? Inside each capsule of Cytoburn is a unique blend of the 10 natural supernutrients and plants that turn dormant cytokines into fat-burning active ones, burning the decades of fat you've built up. They are Psyllium husk, bentonite clay, black walnut hull, oat bran, flaxseed seed, prune fruit, aloe vera leaf, L. acidophilus, apple pectin fruit and glucomannan root. 4. Is Cytoburn safe? Cytoburn is an all-natural formula manufactured in the USA at our FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility using state-of-the-art methods to sterilize and create the perfect ratios of ingredients in every capsule. Every ingredient is 100% plant-based, dairy-free, soy-free, non-GMO and double-inspected for quality control for purity and potency. You can always show a bottle to your doctor just to be safe, which is what I always advise. But they have not seen any negative effects from members of Cytoburn. The only negative effect has been having to buy much smaller clothes. 5. What if Cytoburn doesn't work for me? We're very confident that Cytoburn will help you get rid of unwanted belly fat, but there are always a very tiny percentage of people that either can't take it or don't want to bother taking it. That's why every bottle of Cytoburn comes with our ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're unsatisfied at all for any reason with the results, then you can return what you haven't already taken, no questions asked. 6. How many bottles should I order? If you're considered overweight, obese, or over 30 years old, Dr. Chun recommends that you take Cytoburn for at least 3 to 6 months so that it can not only shed fat off your body but keep it off for years. Dr. Chun wants to make sure you can convert your dormant cytokines into active fat-melting cytokines. Every package comes with free shipping too. Remember, Cytoburn is running out of stock very quickly, so it's best to lock in a 6-bottle package before the price goes up or they run out of stock. 7. What's the best way to take Cytoburn? Simply take 2 capsules of Cytoburn with a glass of water each day. The patented formula has the perfect ratios already and will start burning fat right away. 8. Is this a one-time payment? Yes, this is a one-time payment, no hidden subscriptions or hidden fees. 9. How quickly will my Cytoburn arrive? They typically ship out Cytoburn orders the same day they get them. If you're located in the US, you can expect to receive it within 5 to 7 business days. 10. Where do I go from here? Simply click on one of the packages below and enter your order details on our secure encrypted checkout page. Once you're done, they will get your Cytoburn bottles shipped out right away to you. Remember, if you order 6 bottles, it's our steepest discount at just $49 per bottle, and it comes with free shipping too. Your order is covered by our ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee. There is no risk at all for you. Prices will go up any minute and stock is running out before the end of the week. Go ahead and click the order link in the video description.